Today is a good and beautiful day out here. I mean, do you see this? Let's go. Let's go, because it's been raining all week. So I'm about to go get a cup of coffee. I got some work I need to get done, some project management work. So we're going to do that in some nice peace and quiet. So come on, let's go. Y'all, it is so crowded today, but I did choose to come here on a Saturday, so clearly I should have known. So my goal is to finish out strong this year in all of the projects that I want to do. And also going into next year, I just want to be efficient. So figuring out and structuring my projects and everything is primary. I feel really good. I feel like I got a lot of stuff done, a lot of stuff figured out, which actually makes me more excited to do this and do all the projects that I have listed. Anyways, guys, I broke my nail. Y'all see this? Yeah, this is trash. I can't even believe I walked out like this. Yes, I can. It is what it is. So we're gonna fix those. Okay, so I'm about to go home and get started on my nails because, yeah, I broke a nail.
Why don't you come over and do your nails over here and watch Christmas movies with me?
Girl, you ain't got to tell me twice. You said Christmas movies?
Yep. And snacks.
Snacks? Yep. Okay, yep. I'm finna be on the way. Well, first I'm going to grab some tacos and then I'm be on the way.
Okay.
All right, love you. See you soon. Bye. Into plans, I was going to do this at my house, but now I don't have to be bored. I get to chill with my mom, she's one of my best friends, guys. We in there. So I'm going to go get some tacos first, guys. I'll see y'all in a minute. Let me tell y'all something. If y'all go to a taco stand and you don't get a number, it ain't for real. It ain't legit. Well, I finally made it to my parents' house. I had to change my shirt because I was not trying to get taco juice on that white part. I know I probably would have. Plus, I'm about to do nails afterwards. So, yeah, I just felt like it was worth changing. Plus, I like this shirt with these pants too. Like, it's just something real cute, real basic, real not doing too much. So, yeah, we're going to do that. It's about to be a real smash session. So I'm not going to show you guys me eating because that would be probably really disturbing for you guys. I'm not going to expose myself like that. I will show y'all what these tacos look like and what it's talking about though. I know I said I was not going to eat in front of you guys, but this was just too good, so I had to show it. So as I sit out here and eat, I'm kind of thinking about just like my journey as a creative. For a long time, it was hard for me to accept the fact that I was a serial creative, jumping into different hobbies, exploring myself creatively, exploring myself with different opportunities to indulge in different types of art. And it was hard for me because I feel like a lot of times we're often taught that we have to do one thing in order to be like really successful, but I just don't believe that's true. It may take a serial creative a little bit longer to maybe gain traction or to gain some type of success in it. But for me, I felt like I don't care. I'm willing to take the time that I need to take. I'm willing to put in all the resources that I need to put in, which meant, getting jobs that I wasn't necessarily like super enthused about, but like that is what kind of fueled and helped to fuel the resources I needed in order to be really good at these things or to cultivate my creative self. I definitely went through a down season where I felt like, man, everybody's like surpassing me. I don't feel like I am where I want to be, but I had to really take into account, like, Ashley, you're not just learning one thing. You're a multi-creative. You're a serial creative. So you have to explore that. And success may not come when you think it's going to come, but if you keep diving into that thing, if you keep exploring what this really looks like as a journey, you're going to find success in it. These tacos, life-giving. I mean, if a taco and outside can make you reflect like this, I'm gonna advocate for you guys to go get some tacos and go sit outside. I'm gonna finish enjoying these tacos and then we're gonna hop into these nails. Y'all, oh my gosh, I finally got these nails off. So this is actually like my first time trying to take off press-ons, and that was actually my first set that I actually designed. I was a little frustrated, but my sister ended up coming through and she helped me. I'm so glad that she decided to do nails. Matter of fact, her nails came out amazing. Sorry you guys couldn't see it, but it was fire. Did it show? Okay. Her nails came out amazing. She's helping me behind the scenes. Y'all just keep coming along with the journey, or with me through the journey. This is day 2 of trying to do my nails. I was a little frustrated last night, but I was not going to let that stop me from the mission, which is these girls need to be done because they look a mess. And I had just put those nails on like 2 weeks ago. Maybe I should have set them on longer because the nail glue that I use is nail gluing. Like, it's definitely working. I'm starting a bit late today because like I'm a mom and a wife and I got to do what moms and wives do. You know, I got to take care of the family. But now it's my creative time. It's my free space. So I'm going to use that, do my nails, get these right, and then I'm also going to do some music. And I want y'all to come along the way. So, you know, grab you something to drink, something to eat, or why don't you grab something and you create with me, and then like we can be friends and we can create together and we can do our thing. Let's go do these nails because they're waiting. They're waiting to be done. It honestly is so therapeutic doing nails, and I never had really been a nail girly, but slowly and surely I'm becoming one. And the fact that I get to create my own sets when I want to, I'm feeling the vibe. As you can see, I'm a rookie, but I don't care. I'm still going to explore and keep trying until I get it right. So this set is absolutely not perfect, but it's good enough for me. I'm done with my nails and it feels so good and it looks so good and I feel like I look good. I don't know. It's just something about when you get nails, it just makes you feel like a different kind of woman. So I'm feeling real different. So if you see me in the street, you might not recognize me because I got my nails done. Okay, that's stupid. But anyways, y'all tell me what y'all think about these nails. Y'all feeling them or y'all not feeling them? Either way, let me know. And if y'all got some suggestions, let me know because girlies, I'm always looking for suggestions. Now that I'm done with nails, I'm going to spend the rest of my night doing like a music night. My plan is to listen to some vinyls that I have. And some of these vinyls I have, I've never listened to. Me and my husband, we used to crate dig. If you don't know what that means, it means that we used to go to like, what do you call them? Like record stores and just spawn records based on certain genre, pick out people that we never heard of. But I'm repurposing that and I'm gonna listen to some records tonight, get some inspiration for my album, for my single, for my music project. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. So I'm gonna be listening to some records tonight. I'm gonna be taking notes on just some of the sounds that I hear that catch my attention, lyrics that might lead me to think about something that could possibly inspire me on a song. I've never done this before, and I'm just trying to find new ways to create music and to be inspired. And I don't wanna always listen to the music that I love now. So I'm trying to separate myself from that and go back to some classics or things I never heard of. I don't know what this album's gonna sound like or these songs are gonna sound like, but yeah, at least y'all get to kind of see the creation process of it. So come on. listening to albums I've never heard before, and I'm vibing to it. These are bops, especially because these are songs I have never heard before. Even though they're old, they feel new to me. I couldn't help but take so many notes. I definitely recommend you guys do this too if you're trying to be inspired, especially musically. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you. It's Ashley Rell. It's been real. Bye.